Hello, my name's Jonathan Manning, and welcome to the Tissington Trail in the Derbyshire Dales. Nearby there's Carsington Caravan and Motorhome Club site, and at the other end of the ride, this is an out and back route, there's Buxton Caravan and Motorhome Club site. For anyone with an aversion to hills, today's ride's absolutely perfect. It follows the track bed, the old railway line that linked Ashbourne with Buxton. It's flat pretty much all the way, and it's a really good path, level and hard packed. You could do it on a mountain bike, a hybrid bike, or an e-bike. At certain stages you'll be enveloped by fantastic woodland, at other stages enclosed in a claustrophobic cliff of limestone walls, and at others it just feels as though you're floating over the white peaks. You're very well served with cafes along the route. Unfortunately, the old railway line platforms have largely gone, but in their place there are still little hubs that serve coffee, tea and basic snacks. At the far end, at Parsley Hay, there's a much bigger centre with a good bike hire place if you need any repairs, and also a useful cafe. Anyway, with that said, I reckon it's time to buckle up and go. Enjoy your ride.